Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. Today I've brought another very nutritious dish that can be cooked very quickly and a lot of nutrition within one pot. I brought a very simple and very quickly made lot of nutrition within one pot. For this I've taken rice and many vegetables. Let's see how it can be cooked. It is so delicious, it is so tasty to eat, and of course lot of nutrition, lot of vitamin, minerals and fibers within one, and that can be cooked all together. Let us see how it is cooked. Let us start it. Friends, in today's world, to get nutrition it is very difficult. Away from the junk food and away from this very fast life, let us make, okay, let us have a look and let us see how it can be made. Okay, welcome, and let us see how it can be cooked. For this I've taken rice, 1 cup rice, that is our staple food. This and many vegetables along with it. See, I've taken one small bowl, one big, little, one bowl cauliflower, one bowl, small bowl beans, one bowl radish. All these are small cut, and tomatoes, one big bowl tomatoes. All these are cut into small pieces. First of all, they are washed and then cut into pieces. These all vegetables are very nutritious. We all know they're full of vitamins and minerals. Carrots are very good, vitamin A, many more. Green vegetables, and of course cauliflower, good for our skin, good for our hair, and blood purifier. It expels all the toxins from the body. They're very, very nutritious. Let us see how to make it. First of all, let us take a cooking pan in which put 1 small spoon coriander seeds, 1 small spoon cumin seeds, 1/4 spoon black pepper, then 2 big spoon oil or ghee. This you can avoid if you want to. If you don't want to use oil or ghee, you can even leave. Then also it will be nice. Then 1 small spoon turmeric. If you want to make it more luxurious, you can add 4 spoon oil. That'll be so. When it turns to little brownish, add all the vegetables and mix properly. See, vegetables are put and these are mixed properly. This is a live demo and it is cooked within the time only. See, within 20-25 minutes it can be cooked. Mix all these properly. Add salt to it, 1.5 spoon I've added. If you want more, you can add more. Salt depends upon one's own taste, and 1/2 spoon chili flakes or red chilies, and 2 small spoon biryani masala to it. Mix properly, cover it and let it cook for 2 minutes on medium flame. See, I'm showing this demo how it is taking its texture, how slowly it is getting softer. See, now let us take rice and wash it properly by water. Wash it 3-4 times. See, it is washed. Wash it with water. See, it is washed now. I showed directly washed one. Now, see, let us see what is happening on the gas after 2 minutes. Wow, how nicely it is giving very nice smell and very nice texture. Wow, what a scent. We need not do anything to it now. Mixing it properly somehow. Now we will add rice to it. Along with rice, double the amount of water. 1 cup rice and 2 cups of water in a bowl, and if you're making it on cooker, add same amount. If 1 cup rice and 1 cup water. See, this is, I'm mixing it. I added a bit more salt because I like spicy one. One green chili is also, one chopped green chili is also added. Now rice. Rice is added along with, and water. Double the amount of water that is added, and mix it properly so that spices they mix up and no corner is left over without. Put on the lid, cover it, and after 5 minutes we will see. Now see, let us check what happens after 5 minutes. Wow, such a nice color. And after another 5 minutes, see, this is how it looks. Most rice, the most part of it is softened, but still it is yet to be cooked. After other 5 minutes, see, it is somewhat like this. Almost they are cooked but not completely. We will keep for another 5 minutes. After another 5 minutes, see, it is like this, and almost it is cooked. Wow, it is cooked. Very nicely it is cooked, giving very nice scent. Yes, it is almost ready. Wow. Now, I'll off the gas and take it off to see if it is cooked. Yeah, I think it is cooked now. See, I've taken it off the gas to check it. See, I'm checking it, but I find somewhat a little bit of moisture in it, and it can be dried more. So I'll put back on the gas for 1-2 minutes. See, this is cooked for for 2 minutes. I'll cook more. Okay, I put and add rest of the things, whatever is to be added. See, now after 2 minutes, I added 1 big spoon butter. If you don't want to use oil or ghee or butter, don't do it. Then also it's nice. And 2 big spoons lemon juice to it. You can add, for decoration, you can add chopped almonds over, and cumin seeds. See, this is how it's cooked. Let us take it out in the pot. It is almost ready. Homemade, made at home. See, this is just within one bowl, a lot of nutrition. Main thing about it is that it is very nutritious. This you can add to your diet. This you can add to your lunch or dinner, along with vegetables, along with pulses, or without, also with sauce, with the chutney, especially with the green chutney, it will go very nice. See, it is cooked so nicely. It is so delicious. Even for all age group, it's nice. You can add it to your diet. You can make it every day. If you there is a lot of nutrition within one pot. If you like it, just share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And furthermore, at least try it. Try it today only and add it to your diet. I'm sure you'll like it. See, it is very nutritious. It has got a lot of fiber, minerals, vitamins. Vegetables you can add more, whichever you want to put. Thank you. Thank you for watching. A lot of nutrition within one pot, and it can be cooked almost within 30 minutes. Within half hour, it can be cooked with total preparation also. Chopping vegetables altogether, and no pre-preparation and pre things I've not taken, only altogether. Thank you for watching. Just like, share and subscribe. Thank you.